Here we are on the delivery trail. Here's to see Tiana. Nice Tiana.
Hello, good evening.
Tiana run all over town. Y'all need to know she handle all of the fry fish and Bammy don't.
Yeah, me that, guys. That is me.
Okay. All right, Tiana just started shipping with us. And so we're making a special delivery. Today is Sunday. Come check Tiana. Special delivery. Want her to feel the love. Want her to have the experience of, you know, how we really are. Efficiency. Yeah.
They're really affordable, on time, and they're very legit at that.
Okay.
And I can assure you that you will get your packages because they're very secure.
Yes, and on that note, I also want to remind you about our platinum cover, which means the moment we receive your package, you are guaranteed to receive your package, no matter what happens. Once we get it in our hands, guaranteed that you receive your package. Yeah, a lot of fine prints, you need to read them. Okay? So looking forward to meeting you as well. And make sure you sign up for Platinum membership, which gives you a platinum cover, right?
And tell a friend to come sign up
All
and
right,
ship
big up
with
yourself.
Islandwide.
I like that. Tell a friend to tell a friend and another friend. Have a good one. All right?
Yeah.
All right.